Finally, with thinking and the universal, intelligence, or the subject, has taken full possession of the object. Pure thinking alone grasps the truth of things. The thought, subject, is the thing, object. We have reached true knowledge, which is conceptual knowledge, or knowledge via the UPI concept. We have a perfect identity, a unity of the subjective and the objective. The concept relates only to itself in the object. The determinations of the concept or thought are at once the determinations of the object or being. Thought is both subject and object or being. Thus we have 1. Intellect, which makes universal images and signs into categories like genera, species, and laws. 2. Judgment, which relates the individual object to the intellect's categories or thought determinations. E.g., relates the human body to the UPI of head, thorax, abdomen, and sensibility, reproduction. And 3. Reason, or the concept itself, which is knowledge or comprehension proper. In the object, reason finds only itself. Thinking and the object are one. Reason posits the identity of intellect's differences of self, other, content, form, universal, particular. For example, the universal, animal, particularizes itself, horse, and gathers itself together into individuality, Seabiscuit. The universal, thinking, is the form that produces the content from itself. With thinking and conceptual knowledge, we have arrived at the truth of the unity of subjectivity and objectivity, and freedom or self-relation, where thinking finds and relates only to itself in the object. Thus, in the beginning, intelligence, mind, related only to a given or found object or content. Now, at the end, intelligence relates to an object, content, it has itself produced. And when intelligence produces its own content, we have the will, or intelligence as willing, i.e., practical mind, spirit, intelligence.